love those kind of videos. I just gotta get found. That's the only problem. No one really knows where I'm at. Pop in the tunnel.
Yep, right on the
Oh. Little out. Was that a RS5?
4, I think. Oh yeah.
I know the body's tall wall. Yo.
What's up, buddy?
Yeah, I just drove by you a second ago.
You saw me?
Yeah. I was
Nice.
the obnoxious hatchback that drove past you.
I did hear that. We did hear that. I think we both thought something bad had happened.
Nope.
There's parking. This 600 Congress Avenue is really close. You can look for a street spot. It's kind of busy right now, but yeah, man.
Okay. Well, I will try to find something.
But at least you know where I am now.
Yeah, I know where you are, so now I'm just gonna drive around and try to find parking.
Okay, bro. Sounds good. I used to park at 600 Congress Avenue, which is really close to here.
600 Congress Avenue.
It's really cheap too, so it's like $10 or something.
Okay.
So I guess, yeah, everything else. Or you can park on the street, but yeah, man. All right, cool. I'll see you in a little bit.
Yep. All right. See you.
All right, bro. Bye.
Bye. That's funny.
This is the smallest.
Oh my god, this is tiny. Right here, I guess.
Look. Hey. I'm gonna hit my head.
Tall guy. I don't have that issue.
Short.
There she lies. In the parking garage. That's a good spell. sure you're in the right place?
Yeah.
I don't think you're in the right place.
Yeah.
Hey guys, Tony Flores here. I am the Austin tour guide. I'm gonna give you a really bad tour. So down there is the Royal Blue Grocery. They got really great coffee.
That's what I need. Okay.
Yes, there's a guy, one of my buddies. Anyway, the person whose coffee they sell there is awesome. He's an incredible roaster. His name, it's called Creature Coffee.
Oh, he roasts.
He's a roaster, yeah.
Oh, I'm gonna grab the beans.
So check that out. Look out for Royal Blue. You can buy beans there. You can get coffee there.
Okay.
And then
Royal Blue.
Just kind of walk around and check it out, dude. There's so much to do out here.
Love coffee. Thanks.
I can't wait to charge you for this. No, I'm just kidding.
What a son of a gun.
So after our incredible tour guide, Tony, tells us about this awesome coffee shop and roaster, we left Austin without even going. The truth is, I was getting kind of overwhelmed by all the traffic in downtown Austin, and parking was a nightmare. So Tony, if you're listening to this, I'm sorry, man. I'll have to try it next time.
Did you hear them? The guys in that white car?
What?
We're like, heck yeah!
Really?
Yep. They were both looking
to me?
Yeah. They were pointing. They were like, heck yeah!
Really?
Yeah.
I missed it. That's funny.
Oh my god.
Whoa.
Oh! It's green still? I was so confused there.
She spit at that car.
Who did?
That lady, that homeless lady,
Yeah.
she spit on the Tesla.
I mean,
Okay, but still, that's like, what the heck?
I mean,
Dude, what?
she's wrong, but is she really? Like, I didn't see that. I was paying attention.
Yeah, she like,
I was like watching you.
she was like yelling at the cars, and then she like spit on the Tesla, and there was a police helicopter right there.
Oh yeah. I wonder if you got a verbal tune, would it do anything? I think a verbal would be.
They tried, it doesn't really work on these.
It doesn't. Mr. Beast just got confirmed he's the world's first billionaire YouTuber.
Who is Mr. Beast?
Mr. Beast became a billionaire.
Jeez, that's insane.
That's not bad. Oh, not good.
I got it. By this point, I was pretty tired. Dallas traffic was really rough. Really, the rest of the footage I have is honestly just driving through Dallas and trying to get closer north to where I live. If you guys have watched the video to this point, I really do appreciate you guys. If you want to further support the channel, consider hitting the subscribe button and liking the video. Thanks again for watching, and I look forward to seeing you guys in the next one.